Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Liondesk CRM. Liondesk CRM is complex CRM with a lot of features that you can use, but with this comes some disadvantages that I'm going to talk to in this video. But before that, I'm going to share with you and I'm going to review the pricing plans. Then I will give you the walkthrough of the tool, and while I'm going to give the walkthrough, I'm going to talk to you about those disadvantages and advantages that I see. Then I'm going to share with you also like the top features it has and alternatives. So without further ado, let's start. Now when you're going to enter Liondesk, the one thing that you can like see is how expensive it actually is. I would even go with it as similar comparing to HubDesk's actually how it's called. HubSpot CRM. So you see here that they got a starter bundle, pro bundle, and elite. Now when I click here, you see the features here and everything and the reviews. So I see right here, okay, that's annually and that's monthly. So we have the option go this way or this way. Now, when I see here the starter bundle, and these are subscription plans. So even this is kind of like okay-ish, but still it's on expensive side. So when I come here, I see the starter bundle. I see that 2000 emails, 500 text messages, custom number, bulk text, transaction pipelines, webinar training. Then on a Pro Plus bundle, you see the starter features. So that's what we have here. And then you can have text to sell, sub account management. So this really depends what do you need. My recommendation is definitely, you will have a link down below in the description, like try the tool by yourself and see if it works for you or if you like it or if you don't like it. And elite, you see the 15,000 emails, 4,000 text messages. That's elite, and you see right here, that's elite bundle. And you're gonna have also the multi-line dialer here. And that's pretty much it. Now it's more expensive. This really depends how many emails, the text messages you're gonna use, the video texts. And now when we enter the Liondesk, what we can see here now, Liondesk, the user interface and user experience is not that great. Many people reported that sometimes it was slow. Not only that it was slow, sometimes. Okay, wait a second, I need to change my account here. Sometimes it was not that easy to use. And also, we've combined with the pricing, people even reported that the customer support was not that responsive. So I'm going to create an account again, click here, start a free trial. And we will go we will create it again. So Marcus Stonelius email address. Now I'm going to add a phone number. Real estate agent, start a free trial. Now, as I mentioned, the thing is that with Liondesk, people said that they couldn't even get the answer with customer support when they had problem. And the really great thing is that you can have a lot of features that you can use with Liondesk. So you see the home here. Then you're gonna find the contacts that you can add. Here you can simply import contact or create them. And you would easily like add a contact here. Then you're gonna find the communications where you can compose an email. Then also the tasks here where I can simply click here and create a task. So I can have the category if it's a call, open house, meeting, follow-up. And then I can simply add a description. Then notes, I can assign it to someone, and I can simply add a contact and due date and a recurring schedule. Then I can simply find the campaigns here, and I can create a campaign. So I can click here. Let's say campaign name is going to be YouTube channel. I can submit, and I can create action, right? If it's going to be the template, let's send an email. I can go next now. And the timing, and then assignee, right? So you can simply have a campaigns that I create a tutorial on how you can use those. Then you're gonna see the videos in which you can like upload or record. Then you're gonna find also the marketing. You can connect it with Facebook custom audience, direct mail landing pages. Then you're gonna find also the documents here, generic folder lists, contact folder list, transactions, and then also reporting here, where you can find plenty of reports. So this is pretty much it. Now these are all the features that you can also get. You can refer a friend if you have someone. Now a Liondesk is like a tool that got a lot of features. It's good for real estate or insurance in whatever business you are in, but there are those three things that it can get overwhelming at fast. The pricing is a little bit expensive. Sometimes it's going to possibly go slow for you. Many people say that the customer service was not that great, but other than that, it's like pretty all right. So what are some alternatives? When you come here and just write Liondesk versus, you can see the Kiwi Core, Vice Agent, Boomtown. That's another one that you can use. So that's one great. Or you can use Airtable, Monday.com, ClickUp. Those are also great for CRM. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.